Today, I will take you into the world of robotic orthopedic surgery. We will look at the most modern robotic systems used in total knee replacement. So that I'm not alone, let me introduce my new assistant. His name is Medicino. He is a robotic guide who will take you through the world of robotic orthopedics today. Medicino, you can start.
Hello, everyone. Robotic orthopedics has been developing at an incredible pace in recent years. In operating rooms, we are increasingly encountering robotic systems, navigation, artificial intelligence, and augmented reality. All of these technologies share a common goal: to help the orthopedic surgeon achieve the highest possible precision in surgery. Today, we will introduce some of the most modern systems used in total knee replacement. First, I will introduce the ROSA robot from Zimmer Biomet. ROSA is a robotic arm with a positioning guide designed to assist in knee replacement surgery. Using an optical camera system and special probes, it creates a digital model of the knee right in the operating room. The surgeon then plans the size and position of the implants and checks the stability of the knee. The ROSA robotic arm then guides the cutting blocks into the precisely planned position. However, the bone cuts themselves are still performed by the orthopedic surgeon using a standard surgical saw. During the surgery, the system continuously monitors the mechanical axis of the limb, the range of motion, and ligament tension. Thanks to this, it helps to transfer the surgical plan into the actual procedure as accurately as possible. ROSA is used not only for total knee replacement, but also for partial knee replacement and, newly, for hip replacement. Now, I will introduce the VELYS robot from DePuy Synthes. Unlike the ROSA system, VELYS does not use cutting blocks. It is a robotic assistant that uses a robotic arm to guide the surgical saw held by the orthopedic surgeon directly into the planned position. This allows for highly precise bone cuts and accurate implant placement. At the same time, the system continuously evaluates the mechanical axis of the limb, ligament tension, and knee stability throughout the entire range of motion. The surgeon thus receives immediate feedback and can verify the correct position of the implants during the surgery. VELYS is used in both total and partial knee replacement surgery. The advantage of the system is the ability to individualize the position of the implants according to the anatomy of the specific patient and achieve optimal knee balance. And now we will look at the CORI robot from Smith & Nephew. CORI, unlike previous robotic systems, does not use cutting blocks or a robotically guided saw. It uses a robotic arm equipped with a high-speed burr, which allows for very precise bone preparation according to the planned surgical procedure. Like other systems, it uses navigation, digital planning, and helps the surgeon with balancing the knee joint. At the same time, it tracks the position of the instruments, implants, and the knee in real time. And now we will look at the MAKO robot from Stryker. MAKO is among the most widely used robotic systems for joint replacement in the world. Unlike other systems, it uses a preoperative CT scan, which creates a detailed three-dimensional model of the knee even before the surgery. During the surgery, it uses a robotic arm with haptic control. The orthopedic surgeon can thus prepare the bone only within the pre-planned space, which helps protect surrounding structures while achieving high surgical precision. Like other modern systems, MAKO helps evaluate knee stability and ligament tension throughout the procedure.
Robotics is no longer just a thing of the future. Today, it is a part of modern orthopedics and is becoming a common feature in operating rooms around the world. However, it is important to realize that none of today's robotic systems replace an experienced orthopedic surgeon. They are significant assistants that expand their capabilities, provide valuable information during surgery, and help increase its precision. The development of technology is progressing at an incredible pace, and it can be expected that robotic systems will assist the orthopedic surgeon in an increasing number of surgical steps. However, they still face strict legislative requirements and high demands for patient safety, which are absolutely crucial in healthcare. Alongside robotics, artificial intelligence and augmented reality technologies are also increasingly gaining ground. An example is the ARVIS glasses from Enovis, which display navigation information directly in the surgeon's field of vision. These technologies also show how quickly modern orthopedics is developing and what new possibilities they can offer in knee surgery in the coming years. More information about robotics, artificial intelligence, and other modern technologies in orthopedics can also be found on the website